type of way, you are definitely going to need it. It's going to keep and stop your precision glue gel from leaking. It will last you a long time if you protect and close it, so then it's prevent from getting clogs on your needles and prevent from getting spilling and anything. So I'm gonna seal, but seals on the top and completely seals the metals, frame, and beads, but not on the crystal. I'm gonna go around with the crystal. I feel scratchy right here. I'm gonna squeeze a little bit. See how much I use? Little go a long way. Just in case you need more, you can definitely flash here for 30 seconds and go back and seal it one more time, okay? All right. And with the little crystal, sometimes you might feel that it's scratchy, but most of the time you don't feel it because it is really like anchored down to the condensed glue gel and no web top coat already, because they're about like SS4, 5, and 6. So here for 60 seconds. Going to the second beauty, we are going to do the same thing. So now if you choose to using the precision brush on the other end, you can definitely, if you are choose to being in the middle end, because then you can using all the way through with your beads and the frame. I feel scratchy right here. You can see that when I go and doing a little exam, and just squeeze a little bit enough, and it's gonna fill into any gap that I've been missing with the condensed glue gel and no web top coat. Is filling in, and it will help secure. Make sure you are going to cure this. Is precision glue gels is LED gels, UV LED gel, so you're definitely gonna have to cure it for 60 seconds full cure. And just in case, again, you need to seal again. If you feel like still the gap and still scratchy in wherever spot you already sealed earlier, it means that you probably need more. You can definitely seal it in. And each time you are going to do, make sure you cure between the layer for 30 seconds. Flash cure. Alright, so let's show us really quick first for the video.